Good morning guys, in front of me is Sony Xperia V and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select display and mark wallpaper here. Now you have to select the album from which you want to select your wallpaper, so it can be one from your own photos, so do it by tapping on album. Then you can reach live photos or Xperia wallpapers, and this is what I would like to select. Now just pick the picture that you want to cover your screen with. You can go through all of them and then select the one that you like the most. Let me pick, for example, this one, then just click on set wallpaper, and that's it. It has been already applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.